How to see your listening history on SoundCloud. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your listening history on SoundCloud fast and easy. So first thing you have to do, go to the SoundCloud like this. Now all what you have to do is go to here down below on the library option right here, and now you will find those options right here. Just go down and you will find your listening history. Click see all, and here you will find all your sounds and music that you have listened to on this app. So if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you. If you like Financial Wall, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.